All right, fam. So shout out to Toolhead147. He's the one who told me about this. He got it off the Den of Tools Facebook page. Honestly, they have a lot of good deals and stuff like that. But both of these guys, or not guys, groups, just straight up beat me on this drop. Right now at ToolUp, you can pre-order not just the 20 volt impact driver unreleased. This little stubby bad boy, look at that thing. Ooh, we've talked about it so much. Regardless, the price is $177, which is not very appetizing for a bare tool. Also, the stubs, the 1/2-inch stubs wrench, $236.81. Ouch, free tool, or I'm sorry, free shipping, free tool. I wish. Oh, I'd get like 10. I'd get some for every finger and toe. Anyway, bare tool, $236. Like I said, not very appetizing. However, in my last vid, y'all heard me say I was in a hurry. That's because, yeah, Acme Tools has the same pre-orders, not just on the kits, but on the bare tools as well. Right now with the bare tool, I believe they're doing 2 5s, a charger and a bag for $369. That's on both the 1/2-inch and the 3/8. However, do not order from ToolUp because Acme has the bare tools at $169 for the wrenches. I'm sure they have the impact driver on here as well. And I'm sure it'll be less than ToolUp. You know, fam, if you don't want to wait for a hack or a glitch or a discount or a coupon code, it's not a bad price. And Acme on the bare tools is showing in stock right now at this moment. So if y'all want to do some kind of review or something, I'm looking at you, Philly Fixed and Mastering Mayhem, then by all means, drop the dough. However, I'm going to wait for a glitch. So, by the way, I can't wait to see this show up on TB's YouTube. Just give it about 30 minutes. You'll see it there. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.